Welcome to Supercars TV99. Imagine standing still as a blur of searing green slices through the air beside you, the silence of its electric E-micro middle dot yen replaced a split second later by the savage wail of a V12 erupting behind your head. That moment, that visceral punch to the senses, is the only way to introduce the 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto. It isn't just a new model year, it is the confirmation that the internal combustion engine, when paired with the future, can create a supercar so violent and so beautiful that it freezes time. This is the Aventador's true successor, matured but absolutely feral. Approaching the Revuelto from the front, you are immediately struck by its spaceship-like aggression. The low-slung nose features the brand's signature Y-shaped headlights, but they are now sharper, more menacing, as if the car is scowling at the road ahead. The massive air intakes are not just design elements, they are gaping maws necessary to cool the monstrous power lurking within and to push the car to the asphalt with immense downforce. As you walk around the side, your eye is drawn to the massive scissor doors, hinged dramatically upward. The silhouette is a perfect wedge, but it's the details that captivate: the massive side air scoops feeding the engine, the incredibly thin carbon fiber mirrors, and the massive wheels wrapped in sticky performance tires that look more like racing slicks than road-legal rubber. You can see the carbon fiber monocoque peeking out from the sills, a testament to the engineering masterpiece you are about to enter. Opening the door reveals an interior that perfectly balances luxury with track-focused minimalism. It is wrapped in the finest Italian leather and Alcantara, but your eyes are immediately drawn to the fighter jet-inspired starter cover. The seats are deeply bolstered, holding you in place during the 2.5-second sprint to 60 miles per hour. The digital cockpit is fully customizable, displaying a satellite navigation map one moment and a G-force meter the next. But the true PA-DIRASISTO-RA- copyright assistance is visible through the glass engine bay cover behind you, the majestic 6.5-liter V12, the heart of the beast. And what a heart it is! This is the pinnacle of Lamborghini's power. The naturally aspirated V12, now aided by 3 electric motors, produces a combined output of 1001 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds and will continue to pull until it reaches a top speed of over 217 miles per hour. It offers a pure F mode for silent, guilt-ridden city cruising, but the real magic happens in Corsa mode, where the gasoline engine and electric motors combine to deliver an all-wheel drive punch that defies physics. Looking at the back of the car, the signature hexagonal exhaust tips sit high, framed by an aggressive diffuser that looks like it belongs on a Le Mans prototype. The taillights are slim Y-shapes, and the entire rear is a masterpiece of exposed carbon fiber and mechanical brawn. Of course, all this exclusivity and engineering comes with a corresponding price tag. The 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto has a starting MSRP of approximately $608,000, though with the extensive ad personam personalization options, most examples leaving the showroom will likely exceed $700,000. But for that price, you aren't just buying a car, you are buying a piece of automotive history. Now, if your heart is still racing from that description, and you want to see this V12 masterpiece screaming through tunnels and tearing up canyon roads, you cannot miss what comes next. We are about to release the full cinematic review, and we need you to be a part of it. Make sure you smash that like button to tell the algorithm you crave raw power. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a moment of the action. And drop a comment below telling us your favorite angle of this machine. Is it the monstrous front end, the scissor doors, or that breathtaking rear? We read every single one. The drive is just beginning, and we want you in the passenger seat.